It's 4th of July weekend here, and it's been hot and dry. Seems to be a fireworks ban in effect, and pretty dangerous right now. Fire hazards pretty bad right now in this state. And speaking of a fire hazard, I put in a extremely hazardous setup over here this morning. A stock tank drum, 55 gallons of gasoline. So this gen shack became my gasoline shack, and yep, just been filling it up, making a stock, because you never know when shit's gonna hit the fan and you're gonna run out of gas at the pump, or it's gonna go skyrocketing expensively high. You can't afford it anymore. So make me a little stock here. Just piped in a little 3/4 nipple ball valve, another nipple, 90 to another nipple, and then it connects to this coupling here, and goes into this Arctic rated gasoline hose. Can't just use a normal hose, you gotta use something rated for gas. It's what they have at the pump, this type of hose. I'm gonna cut it a little bit, that way it just goes whoop right down into my containers. And I'll take those containers and fill up a generator if need be, or fill up my vehicle. It's a good idea to do it. I think it worked out pretty good. Gotta keep this sucker cool, because gasoline is so volatile. I mean, it's like just gases out. And extremely dangerous. Like, this gas is highly flammable. Better put out my cigarette. Just kidding. Whoa! So yeah, this shit's sitting in the hot ass Alaskan sun. Vaporizes pretty bad. I don't know how much I'm losing. But anyways, you gotta use it. You know, you can't let it sit forever. Gas does go bad. It evaporates the volatiles out and changes the whole octane rating. So, gotta use it. Can't just sit on it forever. So the key is put some stabilizers in there, and also cycle it out, you know, use a couple gallons and then refill a couple gallons. So yeah, it's July 4th, and it's been really hot, you know, and it's probably in the 80s, dry as a bone. No rain this year, and quite beautiful. About 7:30 p.m. right now.